Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Candace and I'm back with another video. So today's video is like so different from what I'm used to making here on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be making a makeup related video. I don't know anything about makeup. Like I feel like I've only worn makeup maybe 3 times in my life, and all those times were special occasions and they were also makeup done by someone else. So I never had I was never able to do my own makeup. I don't know anything about anything. There's so much detail going into makeup, and I salute everybody who was in it because trying to learn everything was just crazy. I do want to try to get into makeup, not anything super heavy. I want like something really subtle, something I could wear every day that kind of just covers my face, gives me good coverage, but also is very lightweight and makes it like look like it's just my skin tone. I don't know much about makeup, but I do know that that is a huge thing within the makeup community, like making sure that your makeup matches your face and making sure that you're not like out here in these streets wearing 2 colors, you feel me? I came across a company on all different platforms, Instagram and TikTok, and basically it's where you take a test and the test determines what makeup shade you are, and it sends you a bottle that you can try for 14 days, and if it works you keep it, and if it doesn't you send it back. This company is called MAKIAGE, I believe so, or MAKIAGE. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. This video is not sponsored, by the way. It is a makeup brand that sells custom-made makeup products towards you, your skin type, your skin color, your skin tone, all of the above. Like I said, you go on their website, you take a detailed test, you ask a few questions, and it actually helps you to figure out the answers to those questions, because some of these I was like, how am I supposed to know I don't know what that means, but they give you like specific details to help you with your answers so that they are sending you makeup that matches you as close as possible. I'm gonna open this up, unbox it, show you what it looks like in the packaging, and then show you what it looks like on my skin. So this is the outside of it. Really cute, really simple, sleek. This is what it looks like on the outside. Then this is what it looks like in the inside. It has instructions on how the trial works. Again, I said it's a 14-day trial. They send it to you. They say that they send it to you for free, but you have to pay shipping. The shipping was $5, and there also is a hold that goes on your card, but that goes away once it's shipped to you. And then it tells you step by step on how to try the products. You're supposed to like wear it a specific kind of way and wear it for a certain amount of days to see if you like it, and then if you choose to keep it, then you can have them charge your card. And if you don't like it, they give you proper packaging to place it back in and send it back to them, as well as a free shipping label to send back to them. Then it tells you even more detailed instructions on how to apply it to your face and blend it out, as well as how to add other makeup things on top of it. Like I told you, I don't know terminology. And then with the trial, you also get a free product that comes along with it. This is the actual foundation, and it comes in this cute little box, and it's not a small little trial size. This is actually the exact same size bottle that you would get if you were ordering foundation or if you were buying foundation in a store. So, and the free product that I got was this eyeliner, I believe. It says ink liner, yes. So I imagine that that is liquid eyeliner. Is that? So yeah, that's the packaging. I'm gonna open up the liquid eyeliner here. So this is the liquid eyeliner tip. I'm so excited and I don't even know what I'm doing. It's a flawless base foundation. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, so if it works, it works, and if it don't, then I'm gonna let you know. This is what it looks like on the inside here. Oh, okay, so it says on the bottom here, I was matched with 165. I feel like you can't tell, I don't know if you can tell here, but just in looking at the bottle, it looks very similar to my skin tone, so I'm really excited. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of moisturizer to my face, not much. Is this something that you're supposed to do? Are you supposed to moisturize your face? Am I doing this completely wrong? Like, are y'all yelling at me right now, being like, no girl, don't do that? Oh, I'm so nervous. What if I do this wrong? Okay, so this is what it looks like when you take the lid off. Apply 2 pumps Does this pump? What'd that mean? How do I pump? Oh Lord, I'm already messing up. Just gonna. I'm sorry. Y'all. I don't even know if I'm blending right, cause like, it says to blend to your neck. Stop! I feel like I'm gonna cry. You guys, like, it doesn't even look like I'm wearing makeup, but like my acne's not there, like, and it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face. Like, I'm like so happy right now, and I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Makeup where? Makeup where? I'm shocked. Okay, I'm gonna finish applying it to my face, my whole face, and then we'll let it sit and I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is a close-up. As you can see, the comparison from my skin to my neck looks like seamless, like they look the exact same color. Like, this is literally my skin color to the T. So this is what it looks like. I really like the final product, the final look, I guess you could say. Sorry, I can't stop looking at myself because girl feels extremely confident right now. It's very light. It literally feels like I have nothing on my face. I will say though, it is cracking. I don't know like if makeup does that, if that's a thing, or if there's something that I could do to prevent that. If there is, I'm gonna do some research, but if you guys could let me know in the comments down below so that I can make this look as natural and everyday look as possible. So that is it for today's video with me unboxing this makeup from MAKIAGE and showing you guys what it looks like on my skin. I hope that this review helps someone out there who's considering this company. I would 10 out of 10 recommend, especially for someone who has no idea what they're doing when it comes to the makeup world. I would definitely recommend checking them out, taking the test, trying out their 14-day trial. I promise you, you won't regret it. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me as I opened up this and tried it out. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe, stick around for a while because I'd love to have you, and there's lots more fun videos to come. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah.